Transform your space in one day with the Polyaspartic Full Broadcast Kit from ArmorPoxy, meant for indoor and outdoor projects. This is a fast-drying product, so we recommend installing with another person for assistance. Other materials you will need to complete the installation: floor scraper, vacuum, hose or pressure washer, power drill, measuring cups for accurate product mixing, tape for perimeter, xylene for cleanup, painter's pole. Start by cleaning the floor. Remove all dirt and debris by sweeping and hosing down the surface with a hose or pressure washer. Wash down the surface. Mix 1 2-pound bag of the Armor powdered etch with 4 gallons of water for approximately 1 minute. Apply to the floor while the surface is still wet. Allow the etch to soak in for 10 minutes. Scrub the floor with a stiff bristle broom and rinse with clean water. Tape off perimeter edges in any areas that are not to be coated. The working time of the Polyaspartic base coat product is 15 to 20 minutes. It's strongly recommended mixing in half batches, or only what can be spread within that time. Mix smaller quantities for the perimeter edges. Add the content of the tint pack into the Part A jug. Rotate and shape the Part A jug to disperse the pigments and ensure consistent color. Alternatively, pour Part A into a clean mixing bucket, add the tint, and thoroughly mix using a metal mixer until the color is completely uniform. Pour the tinted Part A and Part B at a 1-to-1 ratio and mix at medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. Use measuring cups for proper measuring. Use a brush to cut in around corners and edges. Pour all of the material in the bucket onto the floor immediately and spread with a roller. Do not keep material in a bucket as it can speed the chemical reaction of the base coat. Broadcast the flakes while the base coat is still wet. Throw the flakes evenly by hand and cover the surface completely until you can no longer see the base coat underneath. Wear spiked shoes to walk on the wet base coat. Wait 2 to 4 hours for the base coat to dry. Once the floor has dried, remove excess flakes by sweeping and scraping with a metal scraper. Scrape the entire surface in all 4 directions. Vacuum the floor to remove all loose flakes. You can also use a leaf blower. Mix the Polyaspartic top coat. Mix parts A and B at a 1-to-1 ratio and add 1 bag of non-skid additive per gallon of mixed material. Mix at medium speed with a metal mixer for 2 to 3 minutes. The working time of this product is 15 to 20 minutes. We recommend mixing in half batches. Pour the Polyaspartic top coat onto the floor and spread with a roller. Wait for 2 to 6 hours for the floor to be dry to touch and for foot traffic, and 24 hours before vehicle traffic. Thanks for choosing ArmorPoxy. Please contact our technical support team if you have any additional questions.